Dear friends, today we are going to get acquainted with the different forms of land on the surface of the earth. We are also going to study different types of maps and various methods of preparing maps. In the given picture, you will find different forms of land such as mountains, plateau, plains, lakes and waterfalls. On observing them, you will realize that these structures are varying in heights. The mountain is higher than the plateau. The plateau is at a considerable height above the seashore. The seashore itself is at a slightly greater height than the sea level. Now, if you wish to know the heights of each of the form, what will you do? Suppose you have a scale and you hold it near water, you will find the height of the island to be 2 or 3 centimeters. Seashore is at 5 centimeters. The cliff is at 10 centimeters, plateau is at 15 centimeters and the mountain is at 25 centimeters. If the height of the sea is 0, calculate the height of islands, V-shaped valley, plateau and the hill. To calculate the height of the mountain, plateau and hill, the sea level is taken as the base. Taking the sea level at a height of 0 units, the height of the other landforms is calculated. The height of sea at the peak high tide in Chennai is taken as the 0 sea level in India. With this standard 0 sea level, the height of Mumbai is 12 meters above the sea level, whereas Pune is 560 meters above the sea level. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. The depth of different landforms is determined in the same way. This is a map of Mumbai city. The green color in the map denotes height of 200 to 300 meters. Red color is 115 to 200 meters and blue color shows height of 35 meters. In this map, blue color occupies the maximum space. This means the height of most of the area in Mumbai is 35 meters. The area shown in red is 115 to 200 meters high and the small area shown in green is 200 to 300 meters high. It means that the height of Mumbai from sea level is 35 meters. Now observe the map of Pune. Look at the colors carefully. The map shows most of the area in red, yellow and green. So, Pune is situated at a greater height than Mumbai. In map number 3, we see Mount Everest, highest peak. The map has grey and white colors. The white color denotes ice. Ice is present at a very high altitude. This means that Mount Everest is situated at a greater height. If we wish to show different landforms in a picture, we draw them on a map. The landforms along with their special features are shown on a map. The picture representing the exact features of the Earth's surface is the Earth's map. There are two major types of maps, physical map and political map. Physical map shows the natural landforms of the Earth such as mountains, plateau, sea, lakes, rivers. The political map exhibits the boundaries and landforms of different countries. The high ranges of mountains are shown in dark brown and yellow color. The bow-shaped mountains is the Himalaya. Below the Himalaya, there is a flat area shown in dark and light green color. This is the area occupied by Ganges and river Yamuna. Then there is a plateau shown in dark and light yellow color. This plateau is Peninsular Plateau. The sea is shown on east and west of the map. The islands on either side of India are also seen here. See if China, Tibet, Pakistan and Sri Lanka are there in this map. Also find out the directions in which these countries are situated. There is another type of maps showing the areas of immovable properties like buildings, grounds and the agricultural lands along with their boundaries. There are maps showing natural and cultural divisions. They are known as landscape maps. Now observe the map of the Pune city showing the different subdivisions and their boundaries. The heights of these places are not shown here. We can see the subdivisions only. We can clearly see Pune cantonment, Khadki cantonment, the serial numbers and names of their subdivisions. In the right hand bottom corner, there is list indicating theocracies and the sign code. If you have a map of your building, do you see the list, scale and the direction? Does it show the height of the building? If yes, then how it is calculated? I am sure you have seen the natural and political maps of the world, India and Maharashtra displayed in your classroom. There are maps showing continents, countries and states and miniature maps stored in the archives. Maps showing immovable properties, the landscape maps. There are astronomical maps, geological maps, weather maps, soil maps and marine maps. Proportion, scale, directions, symbols are some of the important aspects of a map. They specify the details shown in the map. The above map shows the areas of Satara, Sangli, Kolhapur and Ratnagiri districts. The lines which are used in the map are also shown in the list. The map of Maharashtra showing the divisions is seen next to it. There are different colors used to denote the divisions. Now find out the color used for your district. The symbols are used to show the subdivisions in the map. Each division is assigned a particular color. The blue color is used to show water, whereas dark colors are used to indicate the heights. In landscape maps, the red color is used for habitat, blue to show the flow of the river, black color to show the flow which is devoid of water, and the contour line having same heights are shown by brown color. Certain abbreviations such as PO for post office and RF for reserved forest are generally used. There are certain symbols used for fort and church. The orientation is very important. In the given map of India, the north direction is upwards. There are certain things which are shown in monometric form. Some parts of a map can be shown using straight lines. This is called the monometric form. The line graphs and bar graphs are classic examples. The production of jowar in the state of Maharashtra is shown by a line graph or bar graph coming under monometric form. The adjoining figure shows the production of wheat. It is shown by bar graphs and also by line graphs. Which information can be shown by line and bar graphs? Which are the diagrams used for showing the number of the students in different classes of a school? The two-dimensional figures show the length and breadth or correlation of two parameters. The split rectangle and split circles are the classic examples. However, the length, breadth or thickness and height of a landform is shown by three-dimensional figures. At this stage, you have understood the concept of monomorphic, two-dimensional and three-dimensional figures. Now, explain the figures shown in the box to your friends. Summary. Different types of maps, landforms and the method to prepare the maps. Different landforms such as mountains, plateau, plains, waterfalls and the seashores to be shown in maps and to show their heights. Map is the detailed pictorial description of landforms. Maps, different types of maps, orientation of map, scales, index, symbols. Types of maps, natural and political, maps showing immovable properties, astronomical maps and geological maps, meteorological maps, soil maps and marine maps. The maps showing population and also the cultural and social units. The landscape maps are those which exhibit the natural and cultural units. Monomorphic, two-dimensional and three-dimensional figures. Exercise. Prepare a map showing the heights of the items and listed in the adjoining figure. Use different colors and prepare the list. Measure the height of the cupboard, window, table and chair from the ground. Also note down the height of the tube light. Prepare the map taking into considerations the heights of the different items. Either use different colors or symbols for table, chair and fans. Observe and study the maps on the walls of your classrooms. Note down their types and describe the contents of the map.